Hey all, welcome to Sparklebox. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful finger painting ladybug craft. Before going into the procedure, are you looking for some interesting and engaging activity kits for your kids? Then you must definitely visit our website mysparklebox.com. You'll find a number of interesting and engaging activity kits over there. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel Sparklebox for more of such amazing DIYs. Let's take an A4 sheet and draw lines with crayon. Apply painting color on your finger and imprint it on the sheet. A yellow crayon and draw it as shown. With a silver glitter pen, mark as shown. Apply white paint on the brush and sprinkle it on the sheet. Sheets, draw circles on it and then cut them. Now paste the circles on the sheet to make Ladybug. Of the ladybug and paste it. And creative kids, I loved it. Do give it a try yourself and share your work with us in Instagram account. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. And do subscribe to our channel Sparklebox for more of such amazing DIYs. See you all with another interesting DIY. Until then, bye bye.